billions, billion. Man a stack cheddar pan bricks pan bricks. And no lightweight and no feather. Me
nah go nowhere. Because me no want the master fi catch me and whip me and put me on the ground. Me nah go nowhere. Me with Tanya and walk.
Chuck, you know no sense. We are plan to escape and you know want come.
Unu galang where unu dey go.
Alright.
Galang where unu dey go. Make the master see unu and see what do we do.
She dey still run the sort of it come like say you love the hungriness and the work.
You
Me
just
nah
hear
stay up
them.
there with you.
I know because me love you, but I become afraid of the whipping.
Man, Simon, you come.
Lega.
You come and start the fighting.
Master, tell you.
What do you mean? You don't have no 2 foot them. You come on. You hurry before master come now.
Wait, yeah.
Listen to me right now. You say tonight, me, Zachariah, and Hope, we are left out here tonight. So me don't know what uno depend now. Well, me don't know what uno depend, but me know say the rest of we are leave. So you see, if uno love uno life, uno that try to get out because what? Me tired. The whole of we decide so we are going tonight. So I too, I know alone I go left that now.
Abraham, now your best friend now.
Me not, Tanya.
And what I know? What kind of plan you have to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away out of this place here? Tell me.
Don't worry yourself. We don't have the white man and wait for we are ready.
White
And
man?
Yeah, we're not getting on a
But
slavery
wait,
thing.
you know me
We're not getting on a slavery thing again.
a white take away and sell it to master.
You see that white man here? Him different. And him just make we go ways.
You sure so?
Yes.
Make sure you know.
I'm sure, man.
Alright, because me hungry.
Don't I come?
Yeah,
Alright.
You see, if you don't keep your mouth, I better say I chew you over the bush over there.
What time me no care?
Alright, watch this.
Master, we see.
Oh, where I go?
Abraham, shut up your
No
mouth.
buy with it. No buy with it, alright? You don't want to get in trouble, you know.
Me not get in trouble. Remember, say we are going tonight.
How where you go, boo?
Some boy know money. Bricks, enough money. Etiquette them. Billions, billion. Man a stack cheddar pan bricks pan bricks. And no lightweight and no feather. Me a analyze money, call me money professor. My brain run at no like a processor. Me no love slave driver, so keep we oppressor. Man a beat them bad, belt, leather them can't keep up. Peace, pressure, diamond, stud boot. No sketcher. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Bricks pan bricks in a bag with a couple pound. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Hot foot out and I lock the street and the town. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Girl get wild and start get crazy when the markets pull up on me glass shady. Couple bricks in